I wanted to adopt. Si Bong ang may ayaw. Ang feeling ko kasi that has to be mutually agreed by both parties.
Is there a story that you would tell your mom today that you wish you had told her before?
Hindi namin masyado napapag-usapan ng nanay yung journey ko as a gay man. But I knew she knew. She loved Bong like her own son. Ito yung, when I look back sana, sabi ko na ipaliwanag ko sa nanay ang ilang mga bagay kasi may mga challenges ang pinagdadaanan, lalo na ngayon at this juncture, at this point in our lives kami ni Bong, dahil na namin mga tanong, we cannot own properties together, we'll have to do some legal, you know, maneuverings. We don't maneuver anything, but you know, you have to do it in a way na we can both own, but we cannot conjugally own properties. We cannot adopt together. Yun yung mga gusto ko sanang i-share sa nanay. Pag isa sa amin ni Bong, halimbawa, ang pumanaw, I don't even have the right to claim the body of Bong because I'm not a natural inheritor of, you know, we cannot even keep money together. Of course we can, using other styles. I would have explained to nanay what it is to be gay and how challenging it is. I would have explained to her ang kasaysayan ng LGBT movement. I would have, basically that, kasi yun ang hindi naman ako tinanong kasi ng nanay eh. Meron lang siyang isa na sinabi sa akin na alagaan si Bong, pero very light pa kung sabi niya, na parang, he loves you more than I love thou myself. So you better take good care of him. Alagaan mo. Pag-alagaan kayo. She had more conversations with Bong than me. Yung nagtatawanan sila, pinagkukwentuhan nila, they have the sense of humor. Mas may tiwala sa kibong pag nagtatravel kami po ng Samal, because Bong was a flight steward. Pag nag-abroad kami, mas dikit siya kibong. May mga parang nagsiselos na ako eh. O kasi, di ba, yung mas mabilis mong kumilos pagdating sa mga papel. I would have loved to, I know Pride Month is June, I would have loved to talk to nanay about my being gay.
And for my...
At hindi kami pwede magpakasal. At na nais ko sana ipaliwanag sa kanya kung bakit hindi pwede. At gusto ko sana ipaliwanag sa kanya, Nick, kung bakit ganito na lang ang nangyari. Kung bakit ang dami kong kaalaman ngayon sa estado ko sa buhay na sana pag-usapan namin.
But how would you think should parang take the story, the head story?
She would ask a lot of questions. Nanay would ask a lot of questions. And I would have shared with her everything I knew. Pero naalala ko, nanay, kahit in our disagreements na political, halimbawa, pag alam kong pagalit na, hindi ako sumasagot. Pag usap, okay. Pero pag medyo may emosyon na ang nanay, ay shut up. Hindi ako. Nanay would probably have asked very difficult questions. Like how I would reconcile my being gay with being Catholic. Sigurado ako tatanungin ko naman. At saka, paano nagsimula na pareho kami lalaki. She would have asked me the difficult ones. She would ask me the difficult ones. I would have loved to explain to nanay.
Kuya Boy, alam naman namin na kayo pa naman namin ang learnings namin ng lessons. Makakasama kaya dito sa 6 months, sa special na to yung mga lessons from ibang klase like mga trans woman na yung mga anak o mga gay na sila na rin natin na kasama mo.
Ako sana, pero hindi dito sa first 6. Kami nagbebenta pa ng konsepto. I'll be very, very honest. We're in the process. Thank you, Cecil. Thank you, Ja, Henry, everybody. Thank you. We're still selling this concept dahil may mga considerations din, di ba? Yung sana tatilikin, sana panoorin, sana suportahan, and then we can fly. Pero pangarap ko, yung makover yun, na ang konsepto ng motherhood nag-expand na. You can be a lolo, a lola, and you perform the duties of a mother. You can be, ako naniniwala ko, you can be a gay mother. You can be a trans mother. At napaka-interesante siguro puntahan yung kwento kung My Mother, My Story at kung ano ang nexus, yung connection, at anong love yung nabuo doon sa anak at sa nanay, using the inclusive concept of motherhood. That would be interesting, Chief.
Last na, Kuya Boy, alam naman namin na successful ka, way established ka na. May point pa na naisip ko na maging parent.
Yeah. Siguro many years ago, about, I was doing Star Talk pa. So that would be 25 years ago. Mga ganun, Chi. I wanted to adopt. Si Bong ang may ayaw. Ang feeling ko kasi that has to be mutually agreed by both parties. Ang problema namin nun, Bong was flying for an airline as a flight attendant. So, kulang kami sa oras. Ang sinasabi niya parate, wala na tayong oras para sa isa't isa. And then, ano ang kapasidad natin mag-alaga ng isang bata? We might be unfair. But I remember there was a time I was insistent. Gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng bata. Gusto ko lang. Kasi maliit kaming pamilya, dalawa lang kami magkapatid. Ngayon, isa lang ang pamangkin. I have an adopted nephew. So, we're a very small family, pero napakalaking clan. Dahil maraming magkakapatid nga, yung kapatid ng tatay sa ama, kapatid ng tatay sa ina. We're a very big family, but our family is very small. Tapos, mga 10 years ago, si Bong naman ang may gusto. Ako naman parang hindi na fair sa bata. Mga 5 years ago siguro, before COVID, dumanan sa isipan namin. But I don't know if it is a regret na hindi ako, sana, hindi ko alam. I don't know. I don't know, but I love children. I love children.
Never got to, equal ang sinabi si nanay sa'yo.
Wala naman. Sobrang, hindi ko alam eh. I don't know if it was love or respect na ang nanay hindi talaga nagbukas ng conversation about having a child, about having a gay partner. Nandun, magkasama naman kayo sa bahay ni Bong, pero hindi naman siya tatanong. It was what it was to her.